That's recording now. Alright, I hooked a big one out here in deep water. I'm not sure if I'm sure it's going to end up being a walleye, but it was pretty deep. I have to get them back quick when I get them out. Whoa! Can you see him through the little hole? I mean, you can see my rod tip in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then when he gets closer, I'll let you know. I marked two big ones down there, and one of them grabbed it. Here he comes. Yeah, it's a walleye. I see him. Over here, Jack. Get him in. Nice big walleye. Probably 4 or 5 pounds. I'll get him out. Let him go. I get the camera. Net.
Why is he upside down?
Well, he's caught out of deep water, so probably gonna have to get him back in real quick. Hook him, back he goes.
So I keep filming.
He's unhooked. He's about 24, maybe. 24 inches. Oh, no problem there. Okay, turn it off. Just took off.
Where's the reel? I can't even find your fish.
Oh, it's a walleye, not a bass. I was hoping it was a big bass.
I'm not catching anything. Oh, there it is. Alright.
This one was right up on the edge. I caught the last one in 35 feet of water. This one I'm fishing for bass on the shoreline.
Did you keep that one or throw it back?
Oh. You fighting?
It's going to be a terrible video.
Well, I need the net now. Well, got another big one on. Same spot I caught the last one. What is it? Couldn't quite tell if I was a northern. I think it's going to be a northern. Jump. Just aim it.
Well, I don't know if the stupid thing's on. I almost swore on mine.
It's going to be a northern because it's taking too much time. Yeah, honey.
I can't tell if it's running, John.
Can you see the little camera? Then it's not running. If you can't see the little camera, it's running. Yeah, it's a northern. Bigger than the last one. Darn it. Probably gonna get my jig here. I don't have a leader on there. And I only got 4-pound line, and there goes the drag. Going back where I hooked them. Well, at least he's halfway decent. A lot of little bitty ones this year. Oh, I can't believe he didn't bite me off already. He's got the thing all the way down. Didn't like that. Didn't like me trying to grab him.
I don't even know where he is.
He's probably breaking off. There's a grab hold.
Oh, where's the net?
Alright, we got it. And of course he swallowed it, so I have to get the jaw spreaders out for him. He's probably about 6 or 7 or 8 pounds. Okay, you don't need to see the line, just look through the little hole.
I need to see the fish.
Oh, couldn't quite see it. Got another nice one on of some kind. Can't quite tell. I think it might, well, it's making runs like a northern, but I thought I saw a little white on the tail there. Oh yeah, walleye. This is like, whoop. Well, it was a walleye, got off. At least I got to see what it was.
I don't think so. There. At least I got a picture of him there. Let me take a picture of you with the smiley bass.
Got him on that, my favorite old topwater bait here. Oh, you got it right through the gristle. That one got off. Pliers on him. Right through the gristle. Finally got a good fish. Getting all them bottom feeders and northern. Finally got a big old bass. My favorite. See, it goes off, right?
All right.
Let's see. Almost off. Well, I get flashes, but I can't tell what kind of fish it is yet. It is a walleye. Pretty nice one. Probably
Where'd he go?
23, 24 incher. Here he comes. Get a picture of him now. Whoa! You don't like the sun. Get on that new bait I've been using, that ringlet, I think they're called, Flunker City. Look like just like a little old straight worm, but they wiggle pretty good. They got great colors. Look at the color on that worm. You can see that baby a mile away. On that, take them off, let them go. Look at that pretty colored worm.
If I fall in, will you rescue me or the camera?
Herb Reed makes these. He owns Flunker City. He also collects antique fishing tackle, just like me. So if anybody's got any antique fishing tackle, give me a holler. Another nice one. It's about half a dozen big, nice walleyes like this. Get that out of there without pliers. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm gonna need to learn pliers. Got it.